Let's make Italian lasagna with chicken mince. In my own way, I have my signature lasagna. So let me take you through how I make my lasagna. I'm using chicken mince. Now I'm going to add extra virgin olive oil in a pot. Just a little bit to saute the onions and garlic. Now add your onions and garlic. Parsley, very important. Now saute it. Now I'm going to add my chicken mince. Add my seasoning cubes and little bit of salt. Don't add salt too much because of cheese. Because we are going to use cheese for this recipe, remember? Now I'm going to stir it and allow it to cook. Now, as you can see, the chicken mince has changed color. Now I'm going to add my cream. I'm going to rinse it with water and add. I'm going to stir, and taste for salt. Our sauce is ready. Look at that, it's ready. Now it's time to set the lasagna. I'm going to put this here, and this is my homemade cream, bechamel. This is basically flour, butter, and milk. And of course, this is my lasagna sheet. Now I'm going to open it and start setting it. You guys, this is basically pasta in another shape, like in flat shape like this. So let's set it. First, add a good amount of sauce in your pan. Add it like so. I'm going to cut it to fit in here. Fit in this space. And this. Now add your sauce like so. Now add your cream, my homemade cream, bechamel, like so. And your cheese. Now I'm going to repeat the process until I'm done. Basically, this is the process. The idea is to allow the lasagna sheet to absorb this sauce. Now this is the last bit. I'm gonna cover it with sauce as usual. Now add bechamel. Then top it up with cheese and all done. Now I'm going to cover it with foil. Now I'm going to leave it to sit for 1 hour, 2 hours, depending. The idea is to allow the lasagna sheet to soak up the sauce. I'm going to place it in my oven, but not to on the oven. I'm not going to on the oven yet. Now let's on the oven and allow the lasagna to cook. It's been sitting for 3 hours. Time to on the oven. Oh, you guys, is done. Dish out time. Now I'm gonna use a knife like so and cut it. This is absolutely yum. Look at that. Fuck. You guys. Okay, let me have a bite. If you don't have self-control, don't make this food though. Don't make this lasagna. This is my signature white lasagna. My signature. Enjoy.